Okay, let's start material master. And we have material types. Material types will be defining what kind of material are we going to select. Material types. Material types can be define attributes, mesh. Okay, we have raw material. Double click. And raw material can be anything as per your client requirement. Raw material can have many attributes. Okay. Now, for example, if we are producing headphones, okay, so for headphones, what we need is features that we want. What are the features? This is what we are going to configure. Okay. For example, if we are producing headphones, so we have to keep in mind how are we going to procure it or produce it. Okay. So for
Different
example,
models, different variants,
models,
different
yes,
colors.
yes. Models will be part of material types, but for that we also have material groups. Okay, material types can be in raw material. For headphones there will be like speakers and handles,
Yeah, wireless and the
wire, joints. Those will be your raw material. Okay, and you can procure it using external purchase orders and you're assembling in your factory. So we have three options. No external purchase because it is being produced, but you're also buying it from outside. External purchase allowed. So we'll use external purchase. Let's try another. Oh, someone is. Still someone is using it. Anyways, what we'll do. Settings for key fields. Define material groups. Okay. Now in raw material for mobile phone, we will have material group. For example, material group will be a broader spectrum. For example, we have hi-fi headphones and there are cheap ones, but let's make it simple. Material group will have uh, a packaged material and one is without packaging. Okay, so we'll make two. Okay, PMOB, packaging, packaging, headphones. This is authorization group for users and default unit of weight will keep it empty. Okay, or we can select any, it can be each. Description 2. Headphones with packaging. Headphones without packing. Each headphones without packaging. Okay. Save. Spotify. Okay. This is done. Now, why do we need groups? Because descriptions can be different for material groups. Material group, and based on this, we will have different pricing procedures. And different pricing procedure means pricing procedure will change. The taxes, the price of the product will change.
Same product have one is local and other one is imported.
Yes,
That's why.
that is also one type, but your client will actually tell you what is how many material types and material groups have been assigned and developed. Define attributes. It is still locked. Someone is using it. So let's define number range for each material type. Display groups. Okay. Intervals. Okay, we have many intervals over here. 77, 2000 to 699. Okay, 401 to 499. And this can be coded for every material type. Raw material will have a different number. Raw material for mobile phones with microphone will be different. Without microphone will be different. So we have 10,099 X1, X2. Okay, we can use both of these. Just a second. Let me try this material type. No, it's still locked, unfortunately. So we'll look at it at other time. Okay. But let me just create group. Create group headphones ROH X3. X3 will be 3. Save. Save. The changes were saved. X3. Okay. Non-assigned elements. Assign element to group. Element to group will be headphones ROH X3. Save. Let me show that again. Sorry, X3. X3 is 30,000. X3 is 30,000 to 399. And where have I assigned display groups? FF find form-fit function class. Form-fit function class is assigned to X3. Okay. And this is how your material types will be assigned here. I hope this is clear now. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to front end and create a material with triple FC. Logistics, material management, material master, and what else? Material, create special raw material. ROH, if we had headphones, ROH, it will show over here. But right now, we'll just create an example. And we can also define uh, industry sector specifically. Okay. Select views, basic data, classification, sales data. If we have sales organizations already, but I don't think we have that. Purchase order text. General plant data, warehouse, accounting. We don't need accounting right now. Organization levels, plant is C45. Storage location, I hope that is made. C45, Karachi. Does not exist, has not been fully maintained. Okay. Let's correct this. Define global parameters, maintain company codes. Maintain company codes for material management. Okay. Position C45. C45 year 2023 period 01 31/23 is in the past. Okay. Our period will be 4/34 is in the past. Okay. 5. Okay. Financial last period previous year. Okay. That will be 12. Okay. That is done. And what is ABP allow postings to previous period back posting? Yes, this is very necessary. And this is disallow back posting after a change of period. Okay, we don't want this to be that strict. We'll save it. This is done. Enter global parameters. Global parameters for company code. Okay. C45 champion group and trade control area K4 country chart of accounts. Field status, posting status is okay. Propose, value date, and workflow variant inflation maximum exchange rate division is 2%. 2%. Negative postings, manage posting period, purchase account procedure. Let's take it. Let's save it. Save. Okay. This is the logic. We have to align. Okay. Parameter is done. Let's see if it works. Does not exist. Okay. It's still causing. Let's redo the code. MMR1. Okay. MMR1. Select views. Basic. Purchasing. Purchase order text. General plant data. And accounting 1. Okay, C45. C45, Karachi. Enter. Okay, now we're done. Now, this is just an example, raw material. And what is the raw material? Headphone padding. Okay. Basically, remember each material group that we defined, and that was mobile headphones, right?
Material is internal barcode.
Material, which one? Yes, this is not barcode, this is the
Yes.
number.
Okay. Internal number,
Internal
like
number.
this, internal barcode. Yeah,
Yes, but
reference number.
not barcode. This is not barcode. Okay, this is not barcode, but this is a number, specific number that will be given. Okay,
Okay.
yeah,
Unique number.
unique number. Bus. This is unique number. This will be used for um this will be used for procurement. Okay, okay, cross plant, plant to plant. It will show the status whether material can be used for all plants or it is only for one plant. It can be used for material management, production planning, plant maintenance, warehouse management, and costing. Okay. So X plant is basically cross plant material status. Cross plant is whether it can be used or it can be blocked for procurement, blocked for task list. We'll just leave it. Okay. Next is authorization group. This is for users, specifically using headphones as raw material and dealing with the procurement. Basic data 2. Okay, industrial standard description. Industrial standard can be any code like ISO code, ISO 9001 headphones. Okay. Rest is basically how these are design drawing for automobile industry, and you can actually give that details as well. Configurable means it is part of manufacturing. So we'll not actually go for this right now. We're just trying to understand how material master is created. Purchasing group will be C45. Purchasing group. Did we make a purchasing group? I don't think so we made. Okay. Now you will actually make a purchasing group for headphones and will use it for next class. Okay. This is your homework. We don't have a purchasing group. You will make one. Okay. Headphones is the material group. Plant. Again, plant specific material status, which will be it restricts usability material for plant concern that is defined whether a warning or error message if you include material in particular function. Okay. So what options do we have here? Block for procurement, we'll keep it empty. Let's keep it simple. And text indicator for material, what will be the text indicator? If you're going to procure it, there are no values. We'll have to maintain that. Okay, not eligible for discount. So eligible for discount in kind for purchasing and sales. For purchasing, eligible for discount. We'll use it for pricing procedure. Trade group, we have not made that. Automatic PO, what this is. Defined purchase or automatic and purchase requisition are converted into purchase orders. So whenever you make a PR for this, okay, whenever you make a PR, automatic PO will be generated. GR processing time, this can vary. So we'll keep it empty. Source list. Now, what is source list? Source list is used for vendors when specifies as I mentioned, in case of external program for certain plant, vendor details will be used. A source of supply. That means vendor must be entering sources before a purchase order can be created for issue to the source for the plant. So let's make a source list. Okay. Purchase order text. Okay. So headphone padding for model X019A 2023 and dimension 34, let's say 34 34YT CHN China. So this is what you're actually going to maintain. Now, next is plant data. Plant data, where will it be used? Base unit of measure is each, but unit of issue can be different when you're issuing from your warehouse to the plant floor, okay, to the production floor, but we'll keep it each. Picking area will be different, storage bin will be different. You can give it over here if you have the details. Make sure that you configure storage area and picking area. Batch management, what does this mean? Batch management means whether material is managed in batches or is procured in pieces. It can be set in material master. Batches are valued individually. If you want to evaluate the product, the headphones individually, don't set this check. If it is set already for the plants, in which case cannot be changed. It cannot be changed. Cannot be if the stock exists in either current period or previous period. If you want to uncheck this, there should be no stocks. This is one learning today. The reason for checking the previous period is because stocks can be posted with when goods movement are entered. Okay, so we'll make it a little complex by checking the batch management. Accounting base unit of measure is okay. Let's say it wants a different one. Or let's just keep it simple and empty. Enter. Okay, accounting 2 over here, valuation class, very necessary. Based on this, the GL accounts are attached. V is the average moving price indicator. Average moving price indicator, so we don't have to maintain a standard price or a moving price because it will change with every procurement, with every purchase order. It is asking, let's say it's 1, standard price is 1, accounting text price. This is used for material costing. Let's save it. Defines that it does not contain an entry. Valuation class. Okay, it requires a valuation class. Valuation class is attached with the GL accounts and material type, which is ROH. Okay, so 3000 raw materials. We can use a different one. We'll configure it in the next class. Save it. Okay, 0146 is created. Okay, so this is how you create a material. Make sure you create a material for the next class before we actually start procuring it. Okay, I hope this is clear.
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, let's stop our lecture today here. Okay,